Hi friends, hi YouTube. If you're new here, hi, my name is Nikki. I love my colorful makeup. I love indie makeup and I love color stories that don't necessarily go together. And I would love to have you subscribe if you haven't already, but if you do, you do. If you don't, you don't. It is what it is. I enjoyed our small bit of time together, whatever that may end up being. We want you to stay. I have matcha. We've got all kinds of goodies. I feel like I'm a good time. I would love to have you here, but you know, it is what it is. We're just gonna have to deal with it. But today we are playing with the Bright 2.0 palette from Beauty Bay. I've had this in my collection for over a year and it kind of just sat there, collected dust, and I never did anything with it. I'm going to make this into a monthly series where I play with this at least once a month. Maybe adding this into a Mishmash Monday every now and again. But yeah, just playing with this. So this was my first time ever playing with this. I ended up creating this gorgeous look right here. I had a good time with this. So if you want to see how I created this look, do a little makeup chill time with me, then let's get into this thing. Hello! We are finally getting around to doing it. We're finally doing it literally a year after buying this palette and getting this palette and having it in my collection. We're finally going to be playing with the Beauty Bay 2.0 palette. I'm wearing an orange shirt, so I do think we might play with some of that top row up there. Maybe a little bit of something here. I do want to work through this. I want to play with this at least once a month this year. You know, maybe going down a row, figuring something out, doing a palette bingo. I don't know, just something with this palette so we can finally get the uses out of it. But I'm thinking, like I said, some of the tones up in there. I know I want to use the black and maybe like that dark green shade right there. Yeah, I think it'll be fun. I've used this palette once. And not even for eyeshadow, and it was just for those two because I was using it for my brows when my roots were darker. So there's that. But that's about it. But yeah, I'm super excited to play with this here today. We're finally doing it. We're finally getting around to it. I'm excited. I have a little bit of matcha here for my drinky drink today. Yeah, I hope you have a snack. You just like are sitting and enjoying your day when you're watching this. As always, all the products that I used and are mentioned in this video will be linked down below. They're not affiliate links. I'm not that cool. Yeah, they're just there for you guys if you need them. So there's that. To start, I'm going to prime my eyes with the REM Beauty Sweetener Concealer in Fair to N, and then set it with the Maybelline Fit Me Matte Poreless Translucent Powder. Let me scooch you in. So, like I said, I do want to play with like those tones. I haven't played with an orange in a hot minute, so I thought, let's do that. I think I'm going to start with that shade right there called Mustard, and I'm going to take that on my Refer 14 here. I forgot how much I absolutely love and adore Beauty Bay's 42 pan palettes. They're huge, they're insane, they're a lot, but I love them. But I'm taking that into the crease here for right now, just starting it there, blending it in, bringing it where not and whatnot. So how have y'all been? What are y'all's goals for 2025? You know, I want to talk. I want to let's chat, okay? I have big goals. I'm gonna go to school, or like start school hopefully this next this coming fall, or if I can get in sooner. I think I'm gonna be moving, maybe. We'll see. Yeah, but there's just a lot of stuff that I have planned and a lot of goals that I have for this year. I want to do things. I want to get out. I want to venture and grow and be an adult and just do all kinds of stuff, you know. I want to live the life I'm supposed to live and flourish. I want to do big things. But like I said, taking that mustard shade into the crease here and just whishy-washing it all about the place. I feel like we need to maybe orange it up a little bit and then we can deepen it out a bit. So I'm just going to still use that Refer 14 because, you know, why not? And I think maybe we'll go in with that Calypso. That shade, since apparently I can't freaking speak today. And bring that just a little bit below it right here. Calypso. See, I feel like I'm not saying it right, but who cares? But like I said, just taking it right here, blending it into that mustard shade here. Just right in this area. Okay, I think I might change this into a little bit of a, no, what is, oh my god, halo white. So we're still gonna go in with that shade that we've been using. I'm just gonna use this Forever 14 to place it over here for now. It's just easier on this end, and then I can switch to a different brush for over there, but it just works so much better over here to place it. So like I said earlier, just popping that into the crease, but then dragging it down right here. Because why not? You know, like, why the hell not? I'm going to be going in with my Unearthly UC A5 and then bringing that into the inner corner here. Also, if you can see my hands and they look like death and dryness and just horrible. It is in the negatives here. It is dry as hell here in Minnesota. It's just prime winter. Now, the real question is what are we going to put in here? You know? I'm kind of like, I'm really kind of feeling that one. But I also feel like that would be freaking bomb. But bottle would be hot. You know? Or, I kind of fuck with the green though. Like, bottle is kind of like a vibe. So maybe we'll go in with a little bit of that. I don't know. But like Cobra. We'll maybe mix and match a little bit of things here. So I'm going to go in with a little bit of bottle there. I'm going to use my trusty Refer 21. I say this in every video that I use this brush in, and I use this brush in pretty much every single video. This is my go-to shimmer brush. It is like that brush for shimmers. It works so amazing. It applies it so beautifully. I love it. But I'm going to be taking that and I'm going to be plopping that into right here. Again, something that I always say when I use shimmers is that I do not spray the brush. I try to make the shadow do what it should be doing rather than forcing it. You know, just trying to get my money's worth out of it. Okay, once I have that in there, I'm going to clean off that brush a little bit, and I think I'm going to go in with a little bit of that Phoenix shimmer right there. That is the orangish one, and just plop that right here. Make a mess, because why not, right? Kind of just blending that bottle shade in here. Dulling it down a little bit. And we can plop something like insane in like the inner corner. Yeah. Okay, thinking we go in with this NYX Vivid Rich eyeliner in Emerald Empire. And we plop it in here because I feel like that would really fit that. And bring that. And then maybe we can do like a wing right here. Okay, but I do want to add a little bit more shimmer because I'm a shimmer addict and I want, you know, things I like to glow and shine. I'm trying to decide if I want to use Nectar or Cobra here. This is Nectar or Cobra. No, Nectar Cobra. I feel like Cobra would kind of like be bomb with that. So maybe we'll go in with that. I do want to play with that shadow at some point here. Like I said, maybe taking this out like once a month. I think it'd be fun. I'm going to take a little bit of that Cobra shade and just plop that over bottle here lightly with my brush and then blending it out with my finger. Using that bottle shade just kind of like gives it some depth, and I really, really like how that looks. Like that's kind of, I like that. Yeah. Okay. Like I said, I'm going to go in with a little bit of this liner. I'm going to bring it down here. I don't know if I'm going to bring a liner here, but we will see. But I am going to go do my face. I will come back for lip, blush, highlight details. We'll do the under eye, all that good stuff. And we'll see if like I'm going to be really pissed off about myself, you know, for waiting a whole freaking year to use this. So I'll be right back. This is a look. It's a look. I love it. I'm vibing with it. There's a huge ass fluffy in my hair. What a day. Yeah, I really like how this looks. I did kind of do a more subtle version of blush highlight. It's kind of the direction that I've been going as of late. I don't know. I feel like I look more mature than I am. Well, I am mature, but like I don't look my age. I'm 25. I've gotten told that I do not look like I'm 25. So I feel like this actually makes me look now, specifically even with this hairstyle, like this makes me look a tad bit more my age, and that I've been kind of feeling self-conscious about looking younger as of late. Like I want to be like have good skin and all that, but like yeah, I've been a little self-conscious about it as of late. But here we are. Like I said, I really like how this looks. I did go in with that NYX Vivid Rich Emerald Empire liner down here. For blush, I obviously went in with my Bun Bunny stuff. Like, you know, if you've been here, you know this stuff. It's not gonna change. For blush, I went in with the Blend Bunny Juicy Cheeks palette. I went in with the orange one right there called Squeeze. And then for highlight, I went in with the Knock to Loosen palette from Blend Bunny, and I went in with that shade right there called Enlighten. I do think that like an orange highlight would have been bomb, but I like how this looks. It's very subtle for me, which, yeah, whatever. It is what it is. We're gonna go into the under eye now because I just, yeah, we'll still do some, you know, halo eye S type shit with this. So let's do this thing. Yeah, I'm excited. I really like how this is looking, so I'm having a good time with my makeup today, and I really enjoy that. I think we'll go in with some of that mustard shade right there to start with. We're going to use my Refer 23 here, and we're just going to bring that along the lower lash line right here, just right here. We're going to leave that open middle space right there, just like we did up there. Just bringing mustard right here. I am going to go over this with that Calypso. I think I finally said it right. My mouth and brain are finally connecting. And like make it look like that up there, but I want to put this mustard in. I really do like this shade. I'll have to figure out an inner corner because I do love a good inner corner highlight. And I'm going to clean that brush off a little bit, and we are going to go in with that darker orange shade that we used earlier, the Calypso, and, you know, blend it in right in there. I love makeup, you guys. I love doing this. This is just, I just have such a good time doing YouTube, and it's just such a, I love it. Granted, there are some days that like it doesn't go good, or I don't feel like filming, and then I don't film, but like I genuinely enjoy doing this, and it's a lot of fun. I really do enjoy it. I think we're gonna go in with a little bit of Bottle. Obviously, we're gonna mix Bottle and Cobra here, but that's fine. We're gonna start with Bottle. I'm gonna use that Refer 23 brush still. It's just the right size for right here. I only have one, so just deal with it. I'm gonna bring that under right in here. Gosh, I love it. I haven't done a halo eye in such a hot minute. I love it. Like, that's such a bomb look. I don't even think I'm gonna add the Cobra down there. I think we're gonna leave it a little bit more smokier down there. This is a vibe. Okay, I love this so much. I'm going to go put some mascara down here. I'm gonna figure out a lip, and then I'll be right back. So this is the final completed look. I used this Unearthly one in Gnarly. I'm pretty sure this is like a limited edition. I don't think it's out anymore, but I do know that they have a bunch of colors, so I'll leave a link to their lip section down below. And then I put a little bit of this NYX. This is Milky Gloss, Milk the Cocoa flavor, whatever one, on top of it. It's not blended together well, but you know, it is what it is. I think this is a vibe. I think this orange color on me is just absolutely gorgeous. This is stunning. My hair actually looks nice for once. Like, It's a good freaking day, you guys. It's a good day. I love it. I look hot. I did good. Yeah, but here is a little look at the look. If my lashes are not glued down well enough, that is not my business. That is not your business. It's nobody's business. But yeah, this is the look right here. I think it turned out super gorgeous. I'm so happy that I went with these colors. I'm so happy that I finally played with this palette. Like I said earlier, I am mad that I have not played with this sooner. I'm so pissed off at myself, but this will be a good thing to work through in 2025 to do look with this once a month. I think that would be a really fun idea. I really do like this. It's super gorgeous though. Like, look at this. Like, I'm a colorful makeup lover. We got everything in here. I think this one compared to their other brace is just, it's that bitch compared to that one. Like, I love the depths in here. The other one is just, I don't know. It doesn't spark my fancy as much as this one, and I just think this one is just gorgeous. This is not available anymore, but I got mine on Mercari, so there's probably some flowing out there in the interwebs. Just be careful where you spend your money, though. Be mindful. But I just want to say a huge thank you to you guys for being here. It really does mean the world to me. I love having you guys here. I love having you guys enjoy my content. It means a lot to me to have you guys here and enjoy this and to watch my videos and like my videos and comment. It means the world to me that you like interact and enjoy the shit that I put out. So just thank you guys so much. A couple things before you go though. Remember to not be a piece of shit. Don't be homophobic. Don't be transphobic. Don't be racist. It's 2025. If you are any of those things or feel anyways along those lines, you are not wanted here. You're not accepted here. This is a safe space for people that are not hateful, for anybody in a marginalized community. Like, that, this is a safe space for them, and I'm not going to let you ruin it for them. And to be remembering to be taking in enough water, enough food, enough nutrients, to be having those self-care days, just be taking care of you, being good to you, and just all that good stuff. Again, if you made it to this point in the video, thank you so much for watching. I really do appreciate having you guys here. Remember to do good, be good, and I can't wait to see your cute face next time.